Okay, this is Trev Wilson in the Fret King Lounge, and today we are going to show you a few samples of what we call our green label Atelier and Stvdio series guitars. So we've got three examples of what we call our Stvdio series here, and to give you a quick rundown on what Stvdio series means, it basically keeps us sane. The job of building guitars all day, especially when you're building green labels to the standard that we do, can sometimes get a little tedious, and we need a break and we need to have some fun. So we create guitars, one-offs, and we just like to do what we think is fun or something that might be interesting to see how the guitar will sound, how the guitar will look, do we think it's cool. We just like to experiment. So the first one we're going to show you is this one here, which is part of the ESPRIT range. And the first thing that you're going to say is, well, why has it got three controls if it's only got one pickup? And why has it got two switches if it's only got one pickup? And the reality is we've been a little bit sneaky here. And what we've actually done is we've buried two pickups here underneath the pickguard. And they are selected by this switch here, which will select the neck pickup, neck and middle, or the middle. And then we couple it with this pickup, which is selected here for the back pickup on its own. And then you can select the other range of pickups depending on where this knob is. So we call this a stealth. So you might also notice on this guitar that we've got quite a lot of tortoiseshell. And I think tortoiseshell is quite an attractive looking material. So we decided to cover the face of it in it. You may like it, you may not, but that's your choice. Okay, so let's take another look at a Stvdio series guitar. This is a Corona 60, but as you can see from looking at it, it looks like it's been played for about 40 years. The reality of it is it's a brand new guitar and it's been hand aged. In our workshops, you either like this style or you don't like this style. Personally, I love it. We've got rounded off pickup covers, we've got rounded off knobs that look like they've been turned on and off for, say, for the last 40 years. Finish taken off the back of the neck, belt rashers. But in essence, it's a brand new guitar. And as such, it's still got all the high-tech stuff like the locking tuners. It'll stay in tune on stage. It's got a WVS vibrato system. Alnico 5 pickups. Again, calibrated, reverse round, reverse polarity middle pickup. Volume, tone for these two, tone for this one. A real workhorse. We've aged it for you. You didn't have to do it, but I think it looks cool. So let's have a look at this one. Gold Sparkle Ventura. Surf or rock and roll? I can't quite make my mind up. 3 P90 pickups, cosmetically enhanced along the style of what you would call a Charlie Christian pickup. It's rock and roll. It's a unique one-off guitar. It won't be built again. And if you are a true individual, it could be the guitar for you. Remember, Stvdio series guitars are absolute one-offs. Hand-aged, hand-customized, things that we can dream up that we think you might find interesting. Check out more on www.fretking.com. Check out all the Stvdio series and Atelier series guitars. Truly unique, truly one-off, never to be repeated again.